Welcome into CHUCKWUEMEKA kitchen. Today we're making smothered roasted garlic chicken. Here I'm seasoning my chicken pieces and I'm going to let them sit overnight. Lightly flouring my chicken here. Searing both sides for 4 minutes. Here you see me mixing my flour mixture for my gravy. The ingredients I'm using is in the description box down below. Adding in a little bit of kitchen bouquet here. And I'm now adding my gravy mixture to my pan here. Slowly adding in the water to remove any lumps before bringing this mixture to a boil. Letting it thicken up just a bit to see how much water I need to add. So I'm adding just a bit more. Now it has come to a boil and I'm going to go ahead and drop the heat. Once it starts to thicken, I'm adding in some parsley here and my Better Than Bouillon seasoning. We have a slow simmer here, so I'm going to go ahead now and add in my chicken pieces. These are the vegetables that I'm adding to my gravy mix. I'm simply adding everything in, giving it a slight stir, and then I'm going to place it in my oven to let it cook, and adding my veggies the last 30 minutes of cooking time. Alrighty, and here you have it. And this turned out to be a really delicious meal here. Everything came together quite nicely. I haven't had smothered chicken in some years, so this was a nice something different for dinner today. And here's a quick peek so you can see what the inside looks like, and it's very tender. Alrighty guys. I will see you guys on the next one, y'all willing. Shalom.